Hi, hello everyone, namaste. A very good evening to all of you present here today. I hope all of you are staying safe and healthy. So, before we begin, I would like to talk a little about Pehel since it's our first ever Instagram live. And I'll start by introducing myself. Hi, I'm Shanidhi, and I'm a part of Team Pehel. And we're really excited since it's our first ever Instagram live, and we're so happy that all of you are with us here today. So, Pehel started as a mental health awareness initiative by a group of students in 2018, and we're dedicated towards spreading mental health awareness and breaking the stigma attached to mental health issues. We believe it's okay to not be okay sometimes, and it's okay to seek help on time. And we're enthusiastically motivated to spread awareness and preach the importance of mental health through our various campaigns, both online and offline. So I'm very excited. And so today's series is a part of our Happiness Mantra series, which is called the Happiness Mantra 4.0. And today we're talking about mandala art as a source of happiness. And we're not only talking about mandala art, today we might be making one as well. So please stay tuned and keep your stationery ready. We believe that happiness is not only a state of mind but a way of life. In today's session, we will learn not only about mandala art but also about happiness and the therapeutic benefits of art. So, without any further ado, I would like to welcome Ms. Gurleen Kaur Anand. We'll just wait for a minute since Gurleen is joining us right away.
Hello.
Hi, Gurleen. A
Hi,
very
hi.
warm welcome.
Thank you.
How are you doing today? Thank you
Fine,
so
fine.
much for joining us.
All pleasure, all pleasure.
We're so excited to have you here today, and I would like to tell everybody in our audience also a little about you. So, Ms. Gurleen Kaur Anand is a psychologist and a mental health awareness practitioner. She's completed her master's in applied psychology from Government College of Education Psychology and Guidance, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. She's a gold medalist in applied psychology, and she's also the founder of the Mind Workout, which is also a mental health initiative. And we're so happy that you're with us here today, ma'am. I think it's going to be an amazing session.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
And I know that you believe in treating mental health as a priority rather than an emergency. So, thank you so much for joining us. And over to you, Gurleen.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for that wonderful introduction. I'll just first ask everybody if my voice is clear. You can just send me thumbs ups on the reply, as it's just a one interference session. So we'll be talking on the typing thing. So yeah, let's be interactive. If my voice doesn't is not audible that much enough, you can just let me know. Yeah. So taking up the session forward, basically, what is mandala, I'll tell you later on, but what will we be doing in this session, that I will let you know. So it's not basically a mandala session, it's a form of mandala that we'll be doing today, that will lead us to much more happiness. How to take care of your mental health, that is an important part of our routines today. हमारे साथ एक प्रॉब्लम ऐसी है that we usually take care of our things when they are on the verge of getting destroyed. So like हम अवेयर तब होते हैं अपनी चीजों से when we find कि oh this is the end now. So we should take it as a priority. That's what I always say, and not as an emergency. So yeah, it will be an activity session today. I'll be instructing you how to do it, because mandala ऐसे करना it's not possible. But we'll be definitely doing an activity that will help you stay more positive, more happy and enthusiastic throughout your weekend, especially. So yeah.
Wow, we can't wait. I hope everybody has their stationery ready. I know that I have my stationery, my paper, and my colors and everything ready, and I can't
Okay.
wait to get into it. So I hope
Yeah,
all of
right.
you also have your stationery, your pen, pencils, sheets, whatever stationery you have at home ready.
Yeah, it's totally your art, your creativity. So there is no hard and fast rule on how to do, what to do, which colors to use, what not to use. It's not like that. You can take whatever. You can even choose your form of color sheets or whatever. It's totally up to you. So before starting up, any questions that you would like to ask in the starting of the session, or anything do you wish to know about what is today in the session? We'll just begin in about 5-7 minutes.
Yes, please drop in the questions that you might have to ask Gurleen related to mandala, happiness, or even anything related to mental health. We'll be
Correct.
more than happy to be answering your queries. So you can drop in those questions in the comments, or you can even send us a DM. It's all up to you. And we're ready when you are, Gurleen.
Okay, I see a lot of hellos. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi. Happy that you all have joined. And some people are ready with their pencil, papers. Woo, it's going to be
That's
fun.
exciting. Yeah, I'm so excited and I'm so happy that there's so many people joining us today. I'm pretty sure it'll be a
Great.
wonderful experience.
Okay, so we will begin with the session, I guess. Oh, shall
Yes,
we wait? I guess we'll begin. So it's a simple activity. You can choose your sheet, you can choose your medium. बहुत बहुत आसान है ये एक्टिविटी, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. पहले मैं आपको थोड़ा मंडाला के बारे में बता देती हूँ. What is mandala basically? मंडाला इज एन आर्ट फॉर्म जो कि बहुत पुराने टाइम से इंडियंस और बुद्धिस्ट बहुत फॉलो कर रहे हैं अपने आप को हीलिंग के लिए. एंड इट इज एन आर्ट फॉर्म डन विद सर्कल्स. ओके, सो रिमेंबर इट्स एन आर्ट फॉर्म दैट इज डन विद सर्कल्स. सो आज हम उसी कॉन्सेप्ट को लेंगे, नॉट टोटली द मंडाला, but yeah, working on the concept of mandala, we'll be taking forward the session or the activity, and we'll be drawing a small or a 4-5 centimeters radius ka circle, because we need to complete it in these 15-20 minutes, and then we'll discuss. So
all
yeah,
right.
you need to just draw a circle, and then I'll further tell you what you have to do. So yeah, I have just prepared one. You can just draw one simple circle. I hope it's visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah. So you all have to just do is to draw a circle. साथ में मैं आपको पूरा what, if, how सब बताऊंगी. You just have to draw a circle right now.
All right. So we're starting with a circle.
Yeah. Just a normal circle of, don't make it too big, just keep it around 5 or 6 centimeter radius circle. The next step then is to divide the circle into two halves. Okay, that division, वो division आप अपने हिसाब से कर सकते हो. I'm not telling you कि आपको उसको divide कैसे करना. Either you can do it vertically, or you can do it horizontally, or you can make zigzags, or you can make S. It's totally up to you.
All right.
Okay.
So I've got the circle and the division ready.
Yeah. So I'll just explain, and then we'll keep making and discussing. Great?
Yes.
Sounds good? Okay. So after making the circle, after doing the division, all you need to do is आपको अपना side बांट लेना है. आप अपना positive क्या लोगे और आप अपना negative कौन सा side लोगे. It's very simple. When you divide it into two halves, you have to pick one side as positive and the other as negative. Okay? You can choose either the left or the right, whatever. Okay. So, Hanji Komal, your circle is ready. Great, great. Now you need to divide it. Okay? The division can be vertically or horizontally, and then you need to pick up either side as positive or as negative. Okay? And after choosing those positives and negatives, now comes the very simple trick जो हम हमेशा भूल जाते हैं अपने साथ करना. Should we post as well? I don't. Yeah, sure. You can DM after the whole activity. You can surely DM us. We'll be more than happy to have your pictures, and you can discuss whatever you feel at that point of time. Yeah, sure. So after dividing the whole circle, the next step is to choose your sides. When you choose your side, अब आपको अपने पॉजिटिव में आपकी पॉजिटिव फीलिंग्स या वो चीजें लिखनी है जो आपको हैप्पी करती है. एनीथिंग, इट कुड बी एनीथिंग टू एवरीथिंग जो आपको बहुत हैप्पी करती है. ठीक है. एंड इन द लेफ्ट और वट एवर द दूसरा वाला साइड इज, यू हैव टू राइट ऑल योर नेगेटिव्स. जो आपको कभी कभी यू फील वेरी डिप्रेस्ड और यू फील लाइक एंशियस अबाउट दीज थिंग्स और यू थिंक कि ये चीजें आपको थोड़ा नेगेटिविटी देती हैं या यू फील अ बिट ऑफ स्ट्रेस व्हेन यू लुक और थिंक ऑफ दीज. सो all you have to do is you have to divide the circle into two halves. The halves you decide. आप उसको decide करो आपको ऐसे half करना है, ऐसे half करना है, कैसे half करना है. It's totally up to you. After dividing it, you have to choose your positive and your negative. I guess quite a lot of people are joining in again. I'll just give a recap. You
Yes,
have
that
to
will
draw
happen.
you have to draw a circle. You can take up your papers now. We have already started. So yeah, the work starts now. You can take up your paper. You can divide it into two halves. Any half. Like you can choose a line, you can choose a zigzag, you can choose whichever pattern you like to divide the circle. Just you need to divide it. Okay. And then you have to take up your side. You can take one as positive and the other as negative. So in your positives, you have to write your feelings that make you happy, that you want more in your life, that you wish in your life, that are more positive to you. And in the second half, you have to write all the things that make you negative or upset. You can even draw symbols if you feel कि आपको drawing ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है. So you can draw all your positives, you can draw all your negatives. If you feel uncomfortable कि नहीं, drawing is not my thing, I'll write it. Even write it. It's totally up to you. आपको सिर्फ अपने thoughts को pen down करना है. Okay, sorry, I'll instruct in Hindi as well. आपको एक सर्कल बनाना है the way I've made it here. Then you have to divide it into half. आपको उसको half में बांटना है. अब half आप कुछ खुद choose कर सकते हो. आपको ऐसे half में बांटना है, ऐसे half में बांटना है, आपको कैसा pattern लेना है. Either you have to draw a straight line or you have to draw a curve. Anything to everything you can choose. और अब half करने के बाद you have to pick your side. Okay. So one side you have to write all your positives and the other side you have to write all your negatives. अब आप जो भी चीजों से बहुत खुश होते हो, what you wish in your life, what you will in your life, आपको जो भी चीजें करनी है, you have to write on your positive side. And on the next half, you have to write all your negatives. You can use colors to do this. You can use pencil colors. You can use paint colors. You can just take a pen and write. All you have to do is you have to clear out your head on this paper. आपको सारे अपनी feelings positive और negative अपने इस paper पे निकालनी है. That's the simple funda of this activity. वो अब आपके ऊपर है. आप symbol बनाओ, आप figures बनाओ, आप color करो, आप कौन से color को negative रखो, positive रखो, totally up to you. So okay, I'll be quickly doing it and showing it to you.
Even I've started, and
Great.
really it's up to us, right? If we want to write,
Yeah.
if we want to draw, it's all up to us कि हम कोई जो color चाहे, जैसा चाहे, हम बस अपनी feelings paper पे let out करनी है.
Yes, totally correct.
So I hope our audience, you with us, and even you are doing what we're doing already. अपना circle and अपना division के साथ ही writing all the things that make you happy. जो चीज़ आपको खुश करनी है, वो चीज़ें जो आपको दुखी भी करती है, and आपके hopes, expectations, हर चीज़ you can just put it down on that circle with the division on.
Okay, so while we are drawing, I'll be playing up the music because मंडाला करने के effects music के साथ बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. So we'll be directly into it. हम लोग अपना drawing करके we'll take up the questions. You can also share कि आपके क्या positives and negatives हैं. There is no hard and fast rule. जितना आपको share करना है आप कर सकते हो so that you feel a bit light today in this session. The whole motive is how to take care of your mental health and to be happy. That's the motive.
Definitely.
Okay, so just a second and yeah.
I think music will be really soothing and calming, and the activity that we're doing will require that kind of flow and that kind of
Correct.
calmness. So
Correct.
I'm very excited for the music to be played, and I'm sure all the followers and the audience who are invited in our session are as well.
Okay. So I just want to ask you all, is it audible? You can send me a thumbs up.
Gulleen, I think you can raise the volume a little more. Yeah, this is really perfect. Yeah, this is good.
Okay. So I hope we all have begin कि हमें बनाना कैसे है.
I hope
Okay,
the
so
very
Komal is
simple.
dropping up a message. I feel happy when I talk to someone. That's great, and that's actually a compulsory activity nowadays. कि हमें अपने आप को किसी से बात करते आना चाहिए. That's what is needed actually in this hour. The only problem with us is we keep on hampering, suppressing our thoughts so much कि after a certain point of time हम इतने burdened हो चुके होते हैं ना that we feel lost. So it's always better कि आप अपनी चीजें let out करते रहो.
And I feel you're right कि बहुत light feel होगा. I think once you let out your feelings, the when you actually communicate and share करते हैं जब हम सब अपनी thoughts, अपनी inner feelings, I think ultimately all of us feel lighter and way more happy than we.
Absolutely. So what we need to draw. Okay, so I'll give you the instructions once again. You need to just draw a circle, a normal circle of a 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter radius. You have to divide it into half. That half you can choose. It's your choice. आपको ऐसे half करना है कि ऐसे, vertically or horizontally. It's totally up to you. Okay? Then choosing your side. एक side आप अपना positives ले लो और एक side आप अपना negatives ले लो. You have to write what you feel good about in your positives and you have to write what you feel anxious और कभी कभी आपको जब अच्छा नहीं लगता है या what you feel today जो आपको ऐसा hamper कर रहा है. You have to write or draw, paint whatever on your on your negative side.
Yeah.
I hope it's clear. Hi Arpit, same here.
And also there are a lot of comments where people are sharing what makes them happy. So I think everybody keep it going. Do share what makes you happy in the comments down below. Let's keep the thing going and let's all be really participating in this session because this session requires us to be more open, communicative. So all of you are more than welcome to put down your thoughts on the paper and as well in the comment section right now.
Okay, so we just begin. Abhi. Okay, so there's a message about can you talk by Alpha M? Can you talk a bit about mandala analysis? Surely I'll get into it. We'll just complete this activity and then I'll let you know that also.
And to all the audience, all the people who are watching us, you are more than welcome to keep dropping in your questions. Gulleen will answer you once the activity is over. So you can drop in a message here and you can leave a DM also and we will definitely get back to you and we will solve your problems or your queries. Over to you, Gulleen. Let's take it a step forward.
Yeah, so I'll be just drawing. I hope everybody is drawing too. You can send me a thumbs up if you are doing up this activity. Because it's actually based कि आप लोग इसको करो and you feel the difference. सुन के इसमें फर्क नहीं समझ आएगा. You have to actually purposefully do it to feel the difference.
And a lot of people are already enjoying drawing it. Like Miss for Pooja, I'm really happy that you're enjoying drawing. And I'm sure that everybody, whoever's drawing, are already feeling a sense of relief.
Great. Okay, so we'll just begin up the drawing and then in between we can keep on answering or you can keep on asking questions.
Gurleen, while we're drawing, it can just be symbols. Now, it doesn't have to be like a proper figure or anything. It can just be symbols of what we feel, and हम अपने हिसाब से we can draw, right?
Okay, so I'll explain you how you have to proceed or whatever. If suppose I choose my positives as trees, so I can draw trees. If I'm not comfortable drawing tree, I can just write tree or just color it with green. So it's totally up to me how I have to divide and create my this positive and negative mandala.
Got it. I think that's really helpful.
Okay, so a long time friend has also joined in. Hi Astha, good to hear from you. Thank you so much. I hope you are doing up the activity.
Gurleen, so we would like to know how is mandala different from any other art form?
Okay, so yeah, hi Komal. I'm just into it. I have just drawn very little actually. Yeah, but I can show you. So this is how I have divided my half, and my positives are going like something about nature, and then niche it will come whatever I like more, and this side more of what I feel negative about or anxious about. So yeah, you can do it with colors. I am doing it with a black pen just now, and then I'll be coloring it. Okay. Okay, so yeah, you asked me about a question actually.
Yeah, I'm going to repeat. I meant to ask that how is mandala different from any other form of art?
Okay, so it's very basic. Actually, I would say anything in the art form gives you a lot of peace. But the thing with mandala is it's meditation through art. So the only major difference when I see कि mandala क्यों अलग है बाकी सबसे, it's because of its meditational purposes. While we begin doing it, we feel a lot more peaceful inside. It heals us within. We feel a lot more happier after doing it. So basically, आप कोई भी art form उठाओ. I'm not telling you कि happiness सिर्फ mandala से आएगी. No, you can choose anything that keeps you happy. But mandala has therapeutic benefits.
And I'm sure we'll be able to see some of those benefits once we're done with our session.
Yeah.
And Gurleen, how has mandala been a source of happiness to you so that we can get a little inspired to get into this kind of art?
Could you be more loud, please?
How has mandala helped you stay positive? Like, how is that a source of happiness and positivity in your life?
Okay. So basically, I conduct these sessions every Sunday on mandala, specifically on mandala, how to create mandalas and stuff. While I started doing it and started introducing it to people, I felt a lot more happiness because of the देखो बहुत बेसिक सी बात है, जब आप मंडाला करने लगते हो ना, आप अपनी काफी सारे चीजों पे कंसंट्रेट करना सीखते हो. सो बेसिकली आप सिर्फ पेन नहीं चला रहे हो, आप मंडाला बनाते बनाते अपने थॉट्स को भी कंट्रोल कर रहे हो, अपनी विजन को भी कंट्रोल कर रहे हो, क्योंकि आपको ये देखना है कि यहाँ से थोड़ा बाहर हो जाएगा तो हो सकता है मंडाला खराब हो जाए. सो इन अ वे आप अपने सारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स को कंट्रोल करने लगते हो. So when the controlling comes, the whole concept of meditation is what? We try and keep control or take control over our breathing. But mandala does a lot more than that. वो हमें अपने सेंस ऑर्गन के साथ भी कोऑर्डिनेट करना सिखाता है, अपने थॉट्स के साथ भी कोऑर्डिनेट करना सिखाता है, how we feel, how we deal with things. So after a certain point of time, जब आप उसको करने लगते हो, you actually start feeling happy, you start feeling very contented in life. This is my personal experience. So you kind of
Wow,
change a
that
bit in your personality.
And I get it and I understand कि कितना, you know, honestly even the fact that आप बता रहे हो कि positives एक तरफ लिखो और negatives को एक तरफ let it out, I feel like even our mind, all the things that we've been keeping or holding back from so long, हम सब वो सब चीज़ें paper पे निकाल पाएंगे. So I get कि
Correct.
आप किस बारे में बोल
Correct.
रहे हैं, and I hope that all of us who are engaging in this activity, we do feel that sense of connect with this particular form of art.
The only point here is कि आपको सब चीजें अपनी let out करनी है. So why we face problem is because we don't talk. क्यों अभी हम इस सिनेरियो में इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज लॉकडाउन हमको इतना हिट हो गया है कि वी हैव स्टार्टेड फीलिंग सो हैम्पर्ड, सो मच लाइक वी आर इन अ जेल. लाइक हम क्या करें, हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, वी कैन नॉट डू दिस, वी हैव टू बी कॉशियस इनफ टू टच एंड टू हैव फूड इन रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. ये हमारी लाइफस्टाइल के बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट हो गया. So that is why we have started feeling so numb inside, and that has led us to more of stress, anxiety, tensions. इन्हीं सबको खत्म करने के लिए we have to start talking, we have to do a mind exercise. That's what the whole concept is. कि हम अपने बॉडी का उतना अच्छे से ध्यान रख रहे हैं, but are we taking care of our mind that purposefully? No, we are not. We are just very much concerned about one pimple in our face. We are just concerned about our weight. Please start getting concerned about your thoughts. This is how you feel a difference in your thoughts when you start doing mandala or start taking up activities in your life.
Definitely.
How can beginners inculcate this therapeutic art in their lives full of distractions around? I like the question a lot. Shirish? Prefer mandala, like हर किसी की choice नहीं होती है art में. So it's not a hard and fast rule you have to choose mandala only. But yes, if you feel, you can pen down, you can write journals, you can draw mandalas. That helps you less your distractions around. So just make out 10 to 15 minutes of your time in your day to give your mind that exercise.
Gurleen, I
Okay,
really like the
how
way आपने
did
बोला.
you find drawing a bit difficult? Yeah.
How please.
Okay, especially you find drawing a bit difficult. How can they begin? Okay, so are you talking especially about mandala, like how to create mandala? So I have just put up a few on my back, and rest you can join in the sessions. For this particular activity, there is no hard and fast rule of drawing a mandala. We are just doing up things in a positive and negative way. You can write, you can make symbols, you can just color also, like maybe blue color is for you the positive color, and maybe red would be a negative. So you can just color both the sides and then write down. It's totally up to you. Yeah, Shreya, it's always better to be productive. दिमाग एक खाली जगह है, as people say ना. So अगर बहुत टाइम तक उसको खाली रखोगे, so it will hamper.
And it's really good that everybody is engaging in something which really brings out their creativity.
Correct.
And आपने जो बात बोली कि हम सब अपने ब्यूटी का इतना ध्यान रखते हैं, वी केयर अबाउट अ पिंपल ऑन आवर फेस या फिर हमारी वेट के बारे में, मेंटेनिंग आवर फिजिकल हेल्थ एंड वेल बीइंग, बट हम बहुत बार अपना मेंटल हेल्थ एंड वेल बीइंग भूल जाते हैं. So I really like that point, Gulleen, that you made, and I think बहुत important है कि हम सब अपने mental health को और seriously लें, and we do communicate our feelings. I hope that everybody is joining along and they're penning their feelings down and making the mandala with us.
Okay, so my first half is complete. It's very simple.
Wow, it looks really, really good. I'm not really an artistic kind, so I'm pretty much just penning down and writing and making emoji
That's good.
marks.
That's good. The whole activity is to just empty your thoughts.
Definitely.
Okay, moving on to the negatives.
And Gurleen, another thing is how do we stay positive in such pressing times? आपने भी mention किया कि lockdown चल रहा है and you know a lot of the people are not able to utilize their time in a very good way and a lot of people are feeling very discontent and they're not feeling happy. You know, a lot of people are not able to adjust lockdown के साथ. I think बहुत hard रह रहा है ये time हम सबके लिए. So आप
Okay, so
how do
I
you
will
stay
just say
positive in such pressing
to
times?
choose your activity. अपने आप को busy रखना है. So you just have to choose what you love doing. Like you will not have a second thought कि मतलब जैसे अपन बोलते हैं ना ये मेरा interest है, ये मेरा hobby है. At any hour I would just get up and do this. So you just have to create one such hobby जो आपको बहुत better feel कराए और जो पूरे 24 आवर्स में आपका स्ट्रेस है वो आप उस 15 मिनट्स में लेट गो कर दो. So like for me it could be mandala, for you it could be dancing, for somebody else it could be singing. So you can choose your activity. It could be running, it could be jogging, it could be cycling, it could be just doing a makeup and clicking up photos. It's totally up to you, but you have to choose one activity that you love doing to just feel stress free, and that is how you actually let go your देखो सबके अंदर ना मी बीइंग अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे पास नेगेटिव्स नहीं है. कम ऑन, आई एम अ ह्यूमन. तो सबके अंदर वो फीलिंग्स है. To deal with it, that's important. You just have to accept the fact that life is a process and it will end at some point of time. Things will change. Change is the only constant factor in life. तो आप कभी भी कोई चीज को पकड़ के नहीं बैठ सकते इन लाइफ. सो जैसे कोविड था वो चला गया, आगे की सिचुएशन कुछ और होगी जो आज आपको लग रहा है व्हाई दिस इज इन माय लाइफ. सो दैट विल आल्सो गो, बट यू हैव टू बी डिटरमिन्ड टू लेट इट गो. यू जस्ट डोंट हैव टू लूज योर होप्स. तो बस आप अपनी इंटरेस्ट चूज करो कि आप 15-20 मिनट्स कैसे अपने उस दिन में से निकालोगे अपने लिए. That's all that will give you the, you know, that push. Yes, I have to live this day also.
I think that's honestly very correct. And अगर hobby को हम choose करें, अपनी interest को choose करके उसके साथ हम we work towards it and we use it to de-stress ourselves, there's nothing better.
Correct. And yeah, definitely, Komal. We can definitely engage in any activity and find our happiness. That's what I mentioned. Maybe your choice is not drawing, so you can pick anything. It's just you have to find your zone.
Definitely.
Yes, definitely. Because at some points of time we break down. Okay, so it is helpful in cases of severe depression or not, as they are not motivated enough to follow basic daily routine. Question actually, I would just like to to share, I don't know how many of you are from psychology background, but there was a person named Carl Jung. We all psychologists read a lot about them, about him actually, and उसने ये मंडाला एक therapeutic alliance बनाया था. So he used to treat his patients with मंडाला. So अगर मैं उसके कॉन्सेप्ट को फॉलो करूं और डिप्रेशन के पेशेंट्स पे लगाऊं, ट्रॉमेटिक पेशेंट्स पे लगाऊं, ओसीडी पे लगाऊं, so these all have very मतलब you can see the changes in these patients. It's been tested. So ये anxiety, depression, OCD, PTSD, this works wonderfully with these patients. Mandala works wonderfully with them. And yes, depression, severe depression especially बहुत problematic हो जाता है because they don't answer you. They have a sense of hopelessness, helplessness all the time. So yeah, you can motivate them by taking up activities, and mandala will really help them in getting up the pace in life. So if I share one of my experiences with a client, so I won't take up the name, and she was suffering from a lot of anxiety, and because of this lockdown and stuff, and while I came across her and she met me, I was all like कि क्या करना चाहिए, and then I had this mandala thing. So then she performed mandala for a lot of time. Like मुझे उसने almost every week कुछ 3-4 बना के भेजे थे. And when I personally asked her, what difference do you see? So she said कि मैम मुझे drawing पसंद नहीं थी, but because you pushed me, I did it, and definitely I saw a lot of changes mandala करके, and now I'm much more better into my position. So ये एक anxiety वाला था एक client. So yeah, that's what I just wanted to share. Yes, Komal. It's a therapy. You can take it as a part of therapy because हम art therapies जैसे करते हैं, तो art therapy usually traumatic और इन सब के ऊपर ज़्यादा work करती है. So yeah, mandala can be a part with a therapy, and yeah, it will create a lot of difference. Okay, Pallavi, might be if you take up the initiative and you both do it, it might help. So don't let her do alone. आप साथ में बैठ के करो और try and make a sit in a group. 3-4 लोग clients के साथ बैठ के आप कराओ वो 1 घंटे का session. You might feel a difference. How can you start learning mandala? Okay, so I take up sessions every Sunday. You can surely contact Pehel about me to reach me. They can give you the details, or if we are coming up forward with anything, we'll let you know. Yeah,
definitely. And if there are any more queries about how to deal with anxiety, how to deal with depression, you can always send us a direct message on Instagram or even on our other social media handles.
Correct.
We will be more than happy to help all of you. And if you want to reach Gulleen, of course, you can also leave us a DM regarding that, and we can directly connect you with Gulleen.
Thank you so much. Hello, Bhavna Di. Okay, so I've penned down my negatives also. The problem with negatives is we cannot draw it. The only difference I feel is this only कि हम positives को बहुत beautifully draw कर सकते हैं. We can draw with colors and stuff. But the problem with our negative feelings and negative thoughts or whatever is, we always write it down. That I feel anxiety, that I feel future thoughts, that I feel negative thoughts. So अभी मैंने 2 ही लिखे हैं, but I have a couple of more, like maybe I don't know my limits till what I have to go up to help people. That sometimes makes me a bit ditzy about कि यार इतना help कर दिया and stuff like that. And maybe sometimes it's like I'm too emotional. That also hampers me a lot. So yeah, these can be my negatives. Future thoughts, for of course, we have failure. The not acceptance of failure is sometimes also a very hampering part of our negative. Yeah, so this was just the activity to how make yourself deal with these things. So एक चीज मैं बोलना चाहूंगी. Yeah, writing diary is also a very nice thing. You can write up journals, you can write up poems. Yeah, it also helps. कि हम हमेशा बोलते हैं ना बी पॉजिटिव. एक कमेंट मुझे हमेशा सुनाई आता है कि बोलने को तो आसान है बी पॉजिटिव. व्हेन यू आर इन दिस सिचुएशन यू विल गेट टू नो. और जरूरी थोड़ा ना बी पॉजिटिव रहेंगे तो सारी चीजें हो जाएंगी. सो द होल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ बीइंग पॉजिटिव इज वेरी सिंपल. आप जब पॉजिटिव होते हो ना कोई भी चीज के लिए, इट ओनली गिव्स यू स्ट्रेंथ टू फाइट दैट थिंग. बिकॉज आप अपना ऑरा पॉजिटिव करने लगते हो. एंड दैट्स ट्रू. सो बीइंग पॉजिटिव का ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप जो चीज चाहोगे वो आपको मिल जाएगी. इफ इट्स रिटन इन योर डेस्टिनी, इफ यू आर वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर इट, यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट इट. बट बीइंग पॉजिटिव, बीइंग हैप्पी गिव्स यू द पुश टू अचीव इट. So that's why we always tell you to be positive. That's a simple concept.
That's actually so apt. That's so true. Gurleen, it'll be really great if you start showing us your mandala, and I would also share mine. Honestly, I'm not.
Yeah, you share your. I just showed mine. It's very basic.
And mine is something like this. I've written mostly words, and I've just made emoticons because I really can't draw. But even writing these words out and letting my feelings out has been so healing.
Yeah.
I feel like I didn't even know so many things were there which made me happy, and so many things were there which made me bothered about things. But putting it out in paper or even through art, what light feel ho raha hai. It feels very relaxing.
Because you empty your head now. Only thing that keep revolving around ना play होता रहता है बार-बार दिमाग में. तो एक बार लिख दो and you are all done for the day. Okay, so we have a lot of comments. Wake in the morning, going for a morning walk is a bit positive, correct?
And a lot of people agree with the fact that being positive is such a beautiful feeling and a beautiful thought. And it's really great everybody sharing what makes them happy, what keeps them positive, what keeps them going.
Correct.
And in such pressing times, I think that is what is needed. You know, anything which keeps you going, anything that makes you happy, relaxed. It's very good to see that everyone is sharing how they feel positive and relaxed. And it's been so great.
Correct. You can even color your positive side as like multicolor, and you can color one side as maybe one single tone color. So like we were exchanging so much, so मेरा drawing बहुत slow चल रहा था.
And I really can't draw. Like I'm honestly not that great at drawing, but I love coloring. So I think you're right. I will definitely use all my colors and actually color my even my negative side. Honestly, I feel like colors also we can represent and let out so many feelings.
Okay, so there's when you speak now, I just connect something and then I talk a lot. I talk a lot. So how is the thing like negative or positive? जो मैंने आज concept लिया है वो yin yang पे based है. So how is this conceptualized? It's very simple. कि everything in this universe, everything around has two perspectives or two sides. Okay? So like if you want to experience the success, you have to have failed in your life once. तभी आप उस चीज का मजा ले पाते हो. ठीक है? अगर आपने अंधेरा नहीं देखा है तो आप रोशनी का भी मजा नहीं ले पाओगे. So same way in life is, you will have negativity. You will have it. It won't go ever. But you will have the motivation, the zeal to stay or to achieve your things just by being positive. So these are just the two sides of your personality and they will always remain with you. तो आप कभी ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते कि मैं पूरी पॉजिटिव हो जाती हूँ, मैं पूरी खुश हो जाती हूँ, मेरे पास पूरा ये हो जाता है. No, it cannot happen in life.
It's not
You
possible.
will always have two things in life. That is why जब आपको दूसरी चीज अचीव करनी होती है, आपको एक का एक्सपीरियंस होता है, तभी आप वो दूसरी चीज को ज्यादा एंजॉय कर पाते हैं.
And it's good to see that everybody agrees with what you're saying, and I couldn't agree more. I definitely agree that it's about how we deal with things, because it's not
Correct.
humanly possible to be happy or even constantly positive all the time. It's just not possible.
Correct.
Life में ups
So-
and downs होते रहते हैं.
It's so basic ना, हम अपनी हैप्पीनेस को हमेशा किसी ना किसी चीज से जोड़ देते हैं.
सही बात है.
तो if we understand the difference कि हैप्पीनेस और प्लेजर में क्या डिफरेंस है, तो इट्स जस्ट कि प्लेजर हमें कोई मटीरियलिस्टिक चीज से मिलता है, और हैप्पीनेस इट्स ऑलवेज विद इन. सो डोंट ट्राई एंड कनेक्ट टू ऐसी चीजों से जिससे आपको हैप्पीनेस मिले. इट हैज टू बी फ्रॉम विद इन.
You're right. Materialistic चीजों से टेम्पररी प्लेजर जरूर मिलता है.
Correct.
But that inner peace and happiness is not. We don't get it by indulging in materialism. You're absolutely correct.
Absolutely correct. So that is why just try and be happy from within. It's simple.
And Gurleen, what would you like to tell our audience?
Could you repeat?
I'm saying that now that we're coming towards the end of our session,
Yeah.
what would you like to tell our audience?
Okay, so always in my sessions that I take up or the workshops that I conduct, I always end it with a story. Am I audible to all? You can just put me a thumbs up.
I think you are. I think
मेरे को लग रहा है नहीं तो मैं म्यूजिक कम कर दूँ.
I think now that and I think it's really exciting that you're telling us a story. We can't wait.
So the story is very simple. एक गांव होता है, उसमें there was a lady who lost, जिसने अपने हस्बैंड को थोड़े दिन पहले लूज करा होता है. He died. Okay. And after a few days his son dies. ठीक है. So all of a sudden she became shattered and all crying and everything. तो जो विलेज वाले लोग होते हैं ना, वो बोलते हैं कि there's a Buddha sitting under a tree. बहुत ज्ञानी आदमी है. He's very intelligent. You should go and seek help from him. He will definitely help you. Okay? So she goes and she prays in front of him कि मैंने थोड़े दिन पहले I lost my father, I lost my husband, and now I lost my son. Please do anything इसको revive करने के लिए, and you can even take my life. ठीक है? तो बुद्धा said, no, I don't want all this. बहुत छोटी सी शर्त है मेरी, बस वो पूरी कर दो तो मैं इसको rebirth दे दूंगा. ठीक है? तो she was like, okay, definitely. So उसने जब then she asked what is your शर्त? तो he said कि इस गांव में, इस विलेज में आपको मेरे को मस्टर्ड सीड्स लाके देने, किसी के भी घर से. क्या लाके देने हैं? मस्टर्ड सीड्स. ठीक है? क्योंकि वो विलेज की फार्मिंग मस्टर्ड सीड्स पे थी, तो she was like, okay, ये तो आराम से हो जाएगा. But Buddha added, I wanted from that house जिसके घर में कोई भी डेथ नहीं हुई हो. You only have to get the mustard seeds from that house where there has no death been taken place till date. Now she became all confused कि ये कैसे हो सकता है? Like, how can this happen? But still she rushes and knocks every door and tries to just ask everybody mustard seed चाहिए है, but everybody told मेरे यहाँ तो एक कोई ना कोई death हुई है, I cannot give you. So after a while she returns back at night and she says, Buddha, I did not find any house where there was no death and That is why I couldn't bring mustard seeds. मैं इसीलिए नहीं ला पाई आपके लिए. So Buddha just smiled and said, now did you get the concept what I was trying to teach you? And she said, actually मुझे समझ आ गया कि मेरी खुशी, मेरी happiness कोई चीज पर based नहीं है. Life and death is a cycle, is a part. When you have to go, it's all decided. But in between, how you live, that you can choose. You can stay happy all the time. You can live your life all the time and then go, or you can just cry and then go. You have to go at a certain point of time. So then she realized कि अब मैं अपने बारे में सोचूंगी. I will be happy because the death has taken place. Now nobody can do it. So,
Wow.
yeah, this was just a small story.
That is such a beautiful message. Honestly.
Yeah, we always tend to take things na ऐसे कि when we will achieve this, we'll be happy. When I will pursue this, I will be happy. तो हमारे goals हमेशा बढ़ते जाते हैं, पर हम खुश कभी नहीं होते. We always have to keep in mind that happiness has to be in that moment, in that day. It won't come आगे. अब आज आप खुश नहीं हो तो आगे कहाँ से होगे? So you have to be happy today. Thank you.
Wow. Genuinely, that was such a beautiful story, and that message is something that I think all of us can, relate to, and we can actually use that message in our lives. All of us.
Correct.
But no, Gurleen, that was such a wonderful session. I think all of us have learned so much, not only about mandala art, but how, any form of art can give us happiness in our lives, and how we can deal with, our, even if something's bothering us, how we can deal with it in a much more peaceful way. How can we achieve a bit of peace in our life? It can just be creating a little bit of art or doing something that we really enjoy doing.
Choose your hobby. That's all. Choose your hobby.
That's really inspiring, and I'm pretty sure that all the people who connected with us today feel the very same. That was a great session, and I would just like to thank you on behalf of Team Pahar and everybody. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Welcome. I also loved like connecting with you people and sharing, because learning is a two-way process. I also learned a lot today. So yeah, it's not always one thing. It's always a two-way thing. So yeah, it
Definitely.
was a beautiful day.
And you're right, happiness is a choice. And to everyone who connected to us today, and if you have been active with us throughout the session, do share your mandalas. It will remain confidential, and it will remain between Pahar Initiative, Gurleen ma'am, and you. We would love to see the art you've created or the feelings that you've let out on the paper. And if you're comfortable sharing, then please do share on your Facebook, Instagram, and tag Pahar Abhijit.
Okay, so we have a few comments I would like to read. Enjoyed a lot by Shreya. Kangana says it was beautiful, a satisfying session. Thank you. Pallavi, Gurleen, it was a great session. Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you so much for joining. Keep doing, all the best and good luck of future goals, life of photographer. Thank you so much.
That's a lot of positive response, and I'm pretty sure that everybody is leaving watching this live video feeling a little more positive, a little more happy, and a little more at peace.
Correct.
And a lasting message for all our people, all our audience, and all the people who are following us, that you can definitely visit us on Instagram, Facebook. Our social media handles will be mentioned on our page. At the same time, if there's anything which is not making you happy, if you have something that you would want to talk about, please do seek help from a psychologist, or please reach out to us. And it is really important to take care of ourselves, not only our body but our mind. So thank you all so much for listening. Thank you once again. It was such a wonderful session, and I'm pretty sure that I will be continuing making mandalas, even if it's
sure.
I can't draw that
Every
much.
Sunday I conduct workshops. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Every Sunday I have workshops at a very nominal cost, and I guess we can spend that much for our health. So, yeah.
I think you're absolutely right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And if anybody is more interested in learning more about mandala, you can definitely visit Gurleen's page, and you can definitely connect with us, and we can reach you.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
can help you reach to Gurleen. Thank you so
yeah.
much once again. Thanks, Gurleen, and thank you everybody for
Welcome,
joining
welcome.
our
It was
session.
beautiful session, beautifully conducted actually. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Please keep in touch. Thank you.
Bye bye. Take care.